And here we are mixing.
We're mixing vinegar
And
baking soda.
it's going to,
And it's gonna make a chemical reaction.
what does the chemical reaction look like?
It doesn't look like, well, it sort of bubbles up and it explodes. And then there's this invisible stuff that's called carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
And it comes up from the chemical reaction.
Now we
So-
watch the bubbles that bounce on it. The fire is a whole different story. Okay,
Yeah.
so why don't you do the chemical reaction? I'll try to get the gas in the glass and we'll see if we can get the fire put out
Okay.
on the white stuff. Okay, here we go. We got a good reaction going. I have collected the invisible gas and go. Golly!
It's
Okay.
very rare.
I'm gonna collect some more. Obviously, I just didn't collect the invisible gas. All right, chickens, we're gonna try this one more time because it has proven to be a little difficult. And then I'm going to collect the invisible gas, which is carbon dioxide, and I'm going to pour it over this flame. Shoot! Okay, let's try again. And pouring. We're gonna hope for the best today. You wanna pour? Just a little and not too much. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go right in after you. Pour it on top of the white, the new white, the new white, the new white. Okay, here we go. We have a nice chemical reaction going on. And go.
Oh, it's lots of chemical
I'm
stuff.
gonna go ahead and try it again. And go. It's so close. Okay, stop. Go. Maybe it's not there yet. Maybe it takes a little time to get it.
Or maybe it likes me. Or maybe it doesn't like being called magic stuff and it likes to be called carbon dioxide.
Hey, carbon dioxide, work with me here. Come on, you can do it.
Come on. Come on.
It was
carbon
closer.
dioxide.
Okay, it's happier.
Come on.
Come on, carbon dioxide.
You can do it.
You
Come
can do
on.
it. I gotcha.
Blow
I
this
gotcha.
guy out right here. Blow the bad guy out.
Okay. All right.
You
So
just gotta call
we're
it carbon
having a little bit of trouble with our experiment. Obviously, I am not a science teacher. I'm just going to
She
stir
is
it up.
too.
Okay, that's plenty. Now I'm going to scoop up my invisible gas
Carbon dioxide.
and I'm going to pour it on this flame.
It doesn't
didn't
like
work.
being called magic gas. It
No.
likes to be called carbon dioxide.
Okay, carbon dioxide, you can do it.
Come on, carbon dioxide.
Come on, ready, set, go! And when all else fails, you scoop it up and you ready, set, go! All right, that was not good. Okay, try again, ready? Get set and go! Yeah! Teamwork. We're gonna make our chemical reaction one last time.
I think my mom is very annoyed.
And
Oh.
go!